The Fiat Titano debuted in late 2023 as a typical badge engineering model, essentially a lightly restyled version of the Landtrek, also known as the Changan Hunter Plus. Initially assembled at the Nordex plant in Montevideo, Uruguay, production has since shifted to Stellantis' new factory in Cordoba, Argentina. The plant employs 1,800 workers, with women making up half the workforce. The pickup also received a round of updates to coincide with the production move. The Fiat Titano's engine lineup has evolved significantly since its launch. It was initially powered by a 1.9-litre Chinese turbo diesel delivering 150 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque. Last year, a 2.2-litre French turbo diesel producing 180 horsepower and 400 Nm was added to the range. Now, the latest update brings an Italian-made 2.2-litre Multijet 2 turbo diesel offering 200 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. In the base endurance trim, this engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. Higher-spec Volcano and Ranch versions now feature an 8-speed ZF hydromechanical automatic gearbox, replacing the previous 6-speed Aisin unit. The Fiat Titano has also seen notable chassis upgrades. All 4 wheels are now equipped with disc brakes, and the traditional hydraulic power steering has been replaced with an electric system for improved efficiency and responsiveness. The suspension has been retuned to enhance ride comfort without compromising stability or handling. Additionally, an electromechanical parking brake is now standard across all trim levels. The range-topping Ranch variant benefits from an expanded suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, a surround view camera system, automatic parking assistance, and a multi-mode hill assist feature for enhanced off-road and downhill control. Inside, the Fiat Titano features several modern updates. The automatic transmission now has a redesigned selector lever with gear modes clearly displayed on the knob itself. In the top-tier Ranch trim, the instrument cluster includes a new 7-inch color display, while a 10-inch multimedia touchscreen has been upgraded to include a dedicated off-road interface. It also now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for enhanced connectivity and convenience. The key dimensions of the Fiat Titano remain unchanged. It measures 5,330 mm in length, 2,221 mm in width, including mirrors, and 1,897 mm in height with roof rails. The wheelbase spans 3,180 mm, while ground clearance stands at 235 mm. Off-road angles are also solid, with a 29-degree approach angle and a 27-degree departure angle. Fiat has expanded the exterior color palette, and the range of Mopar branded accessories has been updated and broadened to offer more customization options. The updated Fiat Titano is designated as a 2026 model, but sales are set to begin this month, with customer deliveries scheduled to start in July.